To sign into Prime Video on your TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Next, locate the Prime Video app on your TV, which can usually be found in the App Store or on the home screen. If you cannot find the app, you may need to download it from the App Store. Once you have opened the Prime Video app, select the Sign In option. You will be prompted to enter your Amazon account email and password. If you do not have an Amazon account, you will need to create one before you can sign in to Prime Video. After entering your email and password, you will be asked to verify your account on a computer or mobile device. To do this, go to the Amazon website and sign in to your account. You will see a notification asking you to authorize the device you are trying to sign in on. Select Yes to authorize the device and you will be signed in to Prime Video on your TV. If you have a Prime Video PIN, you may be asked to enter it after signing in. This is an extra layer of security to ensure only authorized users can access your account. Once you have entered your PIN, you will have full access to Prime Video and can start watching your favorite shows and movies. To avoid any issues when signing in, make sure your TV and device are connected to the same internet network and that your Amazon account information is up to date. Also, be sure to keep your account email and password secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to easily sign into Prime Video on your TV and start enjoying your favorite content.